Today we're gonna talk about getting your boarding pass from Expedia, which is a quick and convenient process. With their user-friendly platform, Expedia makes it easy for travelers to access their boarding passes without any hassle. Once you've completed your booking and received your confirmation email, you are just few steps away. To begin, open your confirmation email and look for the Manage Your Booking button or link. This will direct you to the Expedia website where you can access your itinerary details. Once you are on the website, locate the check-ins or print boarding pass option. This will take you to the airline's website where you can check in online and retrieve your boarding pass. Alternatively, you can log into your Expedia account and navigate to the My Trips section. Here, you will find all your past and upcoming trips. Simply select the trip which you need to the boarding pass and you will be provided with the necessary information and options to check in and retrieve your boarding pass. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.